Good morning, students. So today we are going to learn about Uttar Pradesh, part of Northern Plains. Okay, so let us first see where is Uttar Pradesh in map of India, on the map of India. So this is the map of India and here it is Uttar Pradesh. Up to now we have learned about Punjab, Haryana, Delhi, and now we are going to learn about Uttar Pradesh. Punjab and Haryana are watered by Satluj river and its tributary. Now Uttar Pradesh and Bihar are watered by, मतलब पानी कहाँ से आता है इसमें, गंगा रिवर से, गंगा रिवर basin. These are from Satluj river basin, and all the northern plains area are very fertile because of the alluvial soil. तो जहाँ भी है soil तो सब जगह fertile है. Whatever the states we are going to learn in this northern plains, they all are very fertile because of the alluvium bring by soil. और हमने पढ़ा था alluvium क्या होता है. alluvium is a fine slit, एक fine बहुत ही अच्छी मिट्टी होती है, slit होती है, which is bring by water, fast flowing river water, and it deposited here. So now we are going to learn about Uttar Pradesh, and the capital of Uttar Pradesh is Lucknow. What is the capital of Uttar Pradesh? Lucknow. And there are some important cities of Uttar Pradesh like Agra, Mathura, and Noida, Meerut. Now let us see in another map, Allahabad. Okay. So this is the map of Uttar Pradesh. This is its capital, Lucknow, the darker one. And now here we see some important cities of Uttar Pradesh. This is in box Vrindavan, Mathura, and Agra. Do you know which monument is in Agra? It is very famous. It is also it is also among the 7 wonders. Reminded? It is the Taj Mahal. It is in Agra. Okay. And here it is Allahabad, which is now known as Prayagraj. और इलाहाबाद में क्या है, संगम है, Ganga and Yamuna river Sangam is in Allahabad, Prayagraj. These are some important cities. There are many more. Now let's go back to our topic. So, capital of Uttar Pradesh, Lucknow. We have learned about Mathura, Vrindavan, and other cities also. It is most populated state of India. मतलब सबसे ज़्यादा population है यहाँ पे, सबसे ज़्यादा लोग रहते हैं. Most populated state of India among all the state, Rajasthan, Gujarat, Haryana, Punjab, all the states of India, Uttar Pradesh is the most populated state. UP is the largest producer of sugar cane. सबसे ज़्यादा क्या उगता है यहाँ पे, sugar cane. Sugar cane means गन्ना. Other crops are wheat, rice, maize, and pulses. Pulses means dal. And languages, Hindi and Urdu are the main languages spoken here. We have learned about the city of Lucknow in class 3 also. And festivals, Eid, Diwali, Dashera, and Holi. Mathura Vrindavan is famous for Holi celebration. People from different parts of the country come here and celebrate a beautiful, wonderful Holi. Okay, in Mathura and Vrindavan. Holi is the festival of colors. So we have learned a lot of things about Uttar Pradesh, that it is the most populated state of India, and it is the largest producer of which thing? Sugarcane, ganna. Other crops, wheat, rice, maize, and pulses are also grown here. Which language is spoken? Hindi and Urdu. And festivals, Eid, Diwali, Dashera, and Holi. Now, let us learn about another thing, the Taj Mahal. I have already told you where it is located, in Agra, Uttar Pradesh. It is built by whom? Shah Jahan, a Mughal emperor. A Mughal emperor मतलब राजा, मुगल राजा ने बनवाया था, शाहजहान ने बनवाया था. और कहाँ पर है ये? आगरा, यूपी. I think many of you visited also. It is So I think many of you have visited it also. It is a mausoleum of Mumtaz Mahal. Means ये एक वो मकबरा है. मकबरा मीन्स जब कोई मर जाता है तो उसके लिए बनवाया जाता है. ऑफ मुमताज महल. मुमताज महल इज द वाइफ ऑफ शाहजहां. तो शाहजहां मेड दिस फॉर हिज वाइफ. ओके, for his beloved wife he made this beautiful Taj Mahal in the memory of her beautiful wife. Okay, it is also an UNESCO World Heritage Site. You know student, what is the meaning of UNESCO World Heritage Site? मतलब यूनाइटेड नेशंस, मतलब पूरा का पूरा जो वर्ल्ड है ये इसकी हेरिटेज है, मतलब धरोहर है. द वर्ल्ड इज प्रोटेक्टिंग दिस monument. Okay, we all are very proud of this, and it is the part of 7 wonders of the world. I know you all know this, the 7 wonders of in the world. So here is the picture of the Taj Mahal, and it is built by Shah Jahan in the memory of his beloved wife Mumtaz Mahal, and it is a mausoleum, means maqbara. Our next state is Bihar. Which state is this? Bihar. And the capital of Bihar is Patna. Bihar is also very fertile because of Ganga and its tributaries. And Bihar is also very fertile because of Ganga and its tributaries. So what is the capital of Bihar? Patna. Main crop is rice. Other crops, wheat, sugarcane and jute. Okay, languages spoken over here: Hindi, Bhojpuri, Maithili and Magadhi. There are so many languages spoken in Bihar district, Bihar state: Hindi, Bhojpuri, Marathi and Magadhi. Important festival is Chhath Puja. So this is the picture of Chhath Puja. People celebrating in the people of Bihar celebrating. And important places is Nalanda and Bodh Gaya. Nalanda is also an UNESCO World Heritage Site. It is located in Bihar. ये एक यूनिवर्सिटी थी पुराने ज़माने में. Okay, now it is destroyed. Some part of this university is only left, and this is also a UNESCO World Heritage Site. And Bodh Gaya, they both are very famous tourist places, students. Now this is all about Bihar we are going to learn in this chapter. And next is West Bengal. Recall in your mind students, we have learned about Kolkata and West Bengal in class 3. And here is the map of West Bengal. You know that this place is called Chicken's Neck, and this is West Bengal map. So many important, and it is the capital of West Bengal, Kolkata. See, Kolkata is here. Which river is passing through West Bengal? River Hooghly. Which river? River Hooghly. And river Hooghly is the distributary of river Ganga. क्या है river Hooghly? गंगा रिवर की डिस्ट्रीब्यूटरी है, और गंगा रिवर से अलग होकर आई है वेस्ट बंगाल में. ओके, एंड इट इज ऑल्सो वेरी फर्टाइल बिकॉज यहाँ पे रिवर है और रिवर एलुविलियम लाती है. And we know about this already. And the main crop over here is rice and jute. Which crop is going over here? Rice. देखो जितने भी रिवर के एरिया है वहाँ पे राइस तो होता ही होता है. Okay, rice and jute. And what is the language spoken in West Bengal? Bengali. Important festival: Durga Puja और Kali Puja. Okay. So rice is the main crop, language is Bengali, festival Durga Puja or Kali Puja, and food, what the food they eat? Rice, fish, rasagulla and sandesh. We have learned about this already. Very widely Durga Puja festival is celebrated in West Bengal. And what is the capital of West Bengal? Kolkata. You remember students that Howrah Bridge, which is now known as Ravindra Setu, is also located in West Bengal. And some other places like Victoria Memorial, Eden Gardens, They all are located in West Bengal. Now our next topic is Assam. What is the capital of Assam? It is Dispur. And this is which dance? Bihu dance. And it is the festival also celebrated here, Bihu festival. Bihu festival में कौन सा डांस होता है? Bihu dance. Okay, which is in harvest festival. Now in Assam and Tripura, which rivers are flowing over here? Brahmaputra river. So above two states it was Ganga river, and now we are talking about the Brahmaputra river. So capital of Assam is Dispur. Brahmaputra flows through Assam, and it is river Brahmaputra river flows through Assam, and Assam also receive heavy rainfall. यहाँ पे बहुत ज़्यादा बारिश भी होती है, and that is why main crops over here is rice, jute and tea. पढ़ा था ना हमने लास्ट इससे पहले वाले चैप्टर में कि टी बहुत उगती है असम में. फेस्टिवल बिहू फेस्टिवल विच इज एन हार्वेस्ट फेस्टिवल. हार्वेस्ट फेस्टिवल मीन्स कि जब फसल आती है तब हम बिहू फेस्टिवल को सेलिब्रेट करते हैं. जब पहले फसल बोते हैं तब भी हम बिहू सेलिब्रेट करते हैं, एंड फसल जब पक जाती है तब भी हम बिहू सेलिब्रेट करते हैं, एंड जब फसल कट जाती है, क्रॉप्स कट हो जाती है, देन ऑल्सो वी सेलिब्रेट बिहू फेस्टिवल. You have learned about this now. There are 4 kinds of Bihu festivals. And which language is spoken there is Assamese. कौन सी language बोली जाती है? Assamese. And city, important city is Guwahati. Other than Dispur, Guwahati. Let us see where is Assam on the map. So this is the map of northeastern part of our country, and this yellow color region is Assam. This is Dispur. Can you see it, students? This is Dispur. I am focusing over here. This is Dispur, and near Dispur this is Guwahati. See, and this is Brahmaputra river flowing through Assam. Now we talk about Tripura. See, this is Tripura. Okay, and Tripura, the capital of Tripura is Agartala. In previous chapter we have learned about why we call it Tripura, because it is surrounded by 3 sides with Bangladesh. That is why we call it Tripura. 3 sides से कौन से country से जुड़ा हुआ है? ये बांग्लादेश से जुड़ा हुआ है. That is why we call it Tripura. So the capital of Tripura is Agartala. Tripura means 3 cities. It is surrounded by Bangladesh from 3 sides. Languages Bengali and Kokborak. Main crops rice and jute. हमने देखा अब तक राइस सब जगह कॉमन था. क्यों? क्योंकि राइस को बहुत सारा वाटर चाहिए होता है, और वाटर कहाँ से आ रहा है? रिवर्स से आ रहा है. दैट इज वाई नॉर्दर्न प्लेन्स के जितने भी स्टेट्स हैं वहाँ पे राइस का कल्टिवेशन ज़्यादा होता है. एंड bamboo also grown over here, which is used for making handicrafts and furniture. You know what is the meaning of handicrafts? Huh? I think you know that. Rajasthan is also famous for handicrafts. See, this woman is processing jute. हाँ, जूट का फाइबर बना रही है ये. अब इस फाइबर को ही हम यूज करते हैं बहुत सी जगह, लाइक इन मैट्रेसेस, like in making bags of jute, hats, baskets. Many places we are using jute. So this chapter is also finished. Read this chapter carefully, and next things we will do in next now we will go towards the exercise of this chapter. Thank you. Bye bye. Take care.